There's some really good cells. I like it. I'm going to play with this with a bigger canvas. Hello everybody, this is Tim the Poor Artist. Okay, I'm not necessarily going to do coasters today. Okay, I'm going to put these on a piece of wood after I pour them and they dry and everything. So you can either do them as coasters or you can do them as singles, like I have done these before. And then put it in these little frames. And then here's another one. I call this my Spider-Man. This one here. Put them in frames like this, or you can get frames that are even longer and put like 3 of them inside of one. So I'm just going to make some more of those up. And I'm going to finally try a different type of an activator. Okay, so I'm going to use a white base on them. And then I have a green. This has got some emerald green mixed in it. And then this is just orange right here. And then a little bit of yellow. And I'm going to use a white and a black activator. See what kind of results we get here. Okay, so now my activators, I've never done it this way before, so you guys are going to witness and we're going to see if we do it right. This is 4 parts Flotrol, 1 part paint, and then 5 little drops of water. Okay, and this paint is my white artist loft, so I don't even know if it'll work with it. So most people use just a straight an Amsterdam white, or an Amsterdam black. I don't have those. Having a hard time finding them, so I'm going to try this. And then my black is the same way. It's 4 parts Flotrol, 1 part paint, and then 5 drops of water. Been having really good luck with this stuff with just paint and water, but I need to get some more defined cells. So that's what I'm going to do. Alrighty, here. Let's get busy. My pillow, it's my formula with the glue, where I use 3 to 2, 3 to 1.5 or so on water and glue, and then 3 to 1 with glue and paint. So a little bit thicker, but I think I should be okay. All right, so I'm just going to put a little bit in there, each one of these, to get them started so I don't overdo it. I even seen a guy do a video the other day, I can't remember his name. Very good videos. He actually took he did not use a pillow. So what he did is he just poured the paint straight on the tile without using a pillow. I mean, you got to use a lot more of your other paints, but I guess it would work. So I'm only going to be using 3 additional colors, so I'm not going too wild on these ones because I want to just see what I can get trying it this way. I mean, like I told you guys, I have not been doing this very long. I've been an artist for over 40 years, but I only started doing the pour paintings in September on my birthday. September 14th this year is when I started, and I did my first video. I think that's when I posted my first video. So I played around a little bit with it. And I think I'm going to do swipe across these. Well, these I'm going to have to use a black probably. Okay. Yeah, I'll try it this way this time. Usually blow it out instead of swiping it. But it's all an experiment, guys. I still watch tons and tons of videos. But you just never know how it's going to happen. Just barely touch it, slowly swipe it across. No hurry. You can see the halo from it, so I guess that means I'm going to get some cells. See the halo on the outside of the black? Okay, so we've got time to play with this. I forgot to put my gloves on again. Okay. Looks like I'm going to get some cells. Yay! I like it when an experiment works because lately my experiments, if you've been watching my videos, have been failing. And I don't mind sharing those failures with you. Got some paintings outside I did the other day that didn't do so well. But hey, nice and easy. Straight across that. Right there. Go. Nice big cells. See, that's what I want. Okay, they're growing. Guess you gotta scoop paint on it if you want it on there. I hope everybody's having a blessed day. I know I am. I'm very, very thankful this year for the things that have been going on. Some of you might know, but I was diagnosed with cancer January 23rd of 2023. It was stage 3 kidney cancer. So I had to go in and have my kidney removed. And then I've been doing treatments to help keep from any other cancer coming back. Swipe slowly, sorry. And I've got to do that for one more, for a year. So next April I'll be done with them. And so far the grace of God has shined upon me. I'm doing all right. No cancer every time I get screened. So, and I got to do 2 more of those this month. I don't know why I'm telling you this, but I am. Okay, let's put some on this one. Spread it out thinly. That's why I always tip it back into the cup. Okay, there we go. All right. Let's see what we can do with this one. Thin paper towels. That one there, the first one, is spreading out really good. And the other 2, let's give them a minute. There we go. There we go. So, since that went like I was hoping it would, I'm going to try something else right here on this corner. This one here a little bit more white. This one's got a lot of room over here. I don't know why I'm leaning like that. I don't need to. There. Okay. It's never done until it's done, huh, folks? Sometimes we overdo it. I know I do sometimes. But that's what this is all about. So the Christmas season's coming up. So if you're wanting to do some crafty things for Christmas gifts, this is one of them. And then my artwork right now, I'm working on a website where you can buy originals or you can buy prints. So I'm in the process of that. I just got to get all my paintings digitized because I tried to do it with a camera, and I'm telling you what, that does not work. It does not work. I can't try that against a white. Okay, so I'm going to try this. This is my activator. Okay. Seemed to have worked over there. I almost want to put it right back on the black again. Why don't I just spin the table instead of leaning over so much like this? Okay, let's see if this will work. Let me get my trusty new straw. Okay. Sorry if you got to see my bald head, but I have it. Ooh, that's going to look pretty cool. I like that one. Those look pretty rad. Yes. Check it out, check it out, check it out. All right, let's put some more paint on these for the corners, and I'm gonna might spin it. I don't know, that's pretty rad looking. How can I spin 4 of them at a time? What we're here to do. Wow. I did spin 4 together once when I was pouring everything on top of the same one. I mean the same exact. I tried to make it look like a giant plate. And as all as it was 4 coasters together. So, hey, if you guys have been here from the beginning, thanks for hanging out, man. This is pretty cool. Just want to share these with y'all. Try to help each other learn. I mean, there's so many people out there doing this. It's incredible. It blows me away. You know that these are some of the important parts. So, bear with me. If you don't do this, your paint's gonna really muff up. Okay, let's see what happens here. I just want to give this a... Oh shit, that didn't work out. Nope, so we can't spin. So I'm gonna let them travel. Gonna look nice. I don't want to lose those cells. These are gonna look really nice in a case type thing. There you go. Okay. I need some of this. You don't have a whole lot of room. Yeah, and these things always fly out of my hands. I hope you can see this. I know, someday I'll get better at my photography. Now see, I lost all of that one. Doing it that way. See what I can do here. And that's all you need there. Sorry if I can't keep this in the picture. These are not easy to handle when they're all slippery wet like this. The last thing you want to do is drip it on top of another one. So I kind of use my finger to guide the paint where I want it to go. There we go. I do not want to lose that pattern right there. So I'm going to use some of this excess over here to get the edges. That's pretty good. Whoop, now I put some green up there. See, we got enough to dump that off of there. Just might. Come on. I want to lose that pattern. I'm sorry you guys can't see this. Okay, there we go. It's the end result that counts, right? Okay. I'm just gonna kind of move my, even though my fingers might be a different color, I know they're gonna come off of the edges, and that's gonna help that paint flow over the edges. Like that. One here's kind of light. Okay. Let's try to bring this back onto the board. There's a lot of paint. Looks like a butterfly right there. But, okay. Need some to go off this corner right here. Yeah, that one there's going to be a nobody too. All right, let's keep this one. This one here is pretty amazing. Hopefully, we'll flow these wedges without losing it. Okay, got that one. All right, so now all we got to do is get this bottom corner over here. I don't want to lose that. Okay. Well, I guess that'll be all right. It looks like an ocean. So, yeah. Yeah, just they look good. Okay, right on. Take it. All right. Definitely got to go wash my hands. I can come back and give you guys a close-up. Alrighty, here we go. That's pretty nice. Yeah, it turned out good. I think the cells came out good. This one I just kind of wiped the cells right on off of there, so I don't know what's going to happen. This one, there's some really good cells. I like it. I'm going to play with this with a bigger canvas and see what it can do. But thanks for hanging out, guys. Appreciate it. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I thank you for all the new subscribers. And give me that thumbs up. Give me a comment. Let me know what you want to see next or where you might need some help. And we'll go from there. Thank you, guys.